Hello again and welcome to the truly gorgeous 40 Brewers Road, Cooran. With a beautiful home and 4 gorgeous usable acres, you're going to love it. This spacious and beautifully presented home on 4+ acres of gently sloping land was built for dual living, offering the perfect combination of relaxed Queensland living with all the mod cons. It's a house that you'll love to come home to. The large air-conditioned open-plan living area and dining area on the upper level opens out through huge sliding doors to the wide verandas, delivering the most amazing vista over the lush green paddocks and the neighbour's dam. The home offers 4 good-sized bedrooms plus an extra bedroom or office. There are 3 bathrooms and they're all stylish and modern, making it easy to accommodate family and friends. The kitchen is so chic in sparkling white with plenty of storage. Downstairs you'll find even more to love. It's perfect for a huge entertainment area or fully self-contained granny flat. So if you're looking for a large family home with a versatile floor plan, it just doesn't get any better than this. I'm Sam from Hargrave Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you soon.